How to send money from USA to Philippines via Gcash. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can send money from US to Philippines via Gcash. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Since Gcash cannot directly support the international transfer, so in that case, you have to use other Gcash partner like Remitly, Xoom, Wise, or Sendwave, so which will work perfectly with Gcash. So for that, what you have to do is, if you want to use Wise app to send money using Gcash, then you have to go to wise.com or install the Wise application. So for now, we will just open up Google, head over to search bar, and now search for Wise. So once you're under the wise.com, you have to log in or sign up. Tap on the three line at the top right if you already have an account. Tap on login, enter your login credential, then log in. If you don't have an account yet, then you have to sign up and create an account. So once you're logged in into wise.com, tap on send money. Then you have to enter the amount that you want to send. After that, select Gcash as a delivery method. Then fill in the receiver full name and also the Gcash mobile number. Now to make a payment, you have to pay using your debit or your bank account. Wise will show you the real exchange rate, low fee and delivery time, which usually arrives in minutes to a few hours. Make sure that the name and the number match the Gcash account exactly to avoid any details. And that's it. That's how you can transfer money from US to Philippines via Gcash using Wise. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.